So we're gonna do an unboxing of a stupid rare radio. I'm joined by my lovely girlfriend, Holly. You know her YouTube channels. I'm not gonna bother saying that.
They probably don't.
So then say them.
I just want to eat my Pop-Tart.
Say them.
The EAS Geek and the Siren Geek.
There we go. Recom, say your Thomas, say your
Hi, I'm Recon Facerfield. Yes, hurry. Ooh, hi.
Oh.
And I was the one who told Mitchell about this radio because Antonio was about to snag it.
Yeah, Antonio was about to get this. He already has one. I don't know why he wanted to get this one. So,
oh my God,
43 here, as I was gonna say before I was interrupted by Recom again, like I always end in every other video. Just kidding.
Oh, no.
Michael got it black and silver!
Oh God, the Pop-Tart fell.
Yes, proud owner of a black and silver WR100. Thanks to Weather Weenie Antonio, man.
Weather Weenie?
Thanks to Weather Weenie. Where is he? Wait, where? Weather Weenie.
Are we now just gonna call him a Weather Weenie?
Yeah, he's Weather Weenie now. So, let's get into unboxing this. Yeah. This is one of those radios that I never thought I would get. And then when I saw it, thanks to this one, I just jumped on it. So
I got a rare radio before you did.
yeah, you got one of these like months ago.
It's an Acu-Rite flashlight.
Yeah, precisely. So let's unbox it. Okay, so as I was driving by my house, this was just sitting on the door like this, and it's long. It's a long package, and so it's very weird. I've never seen anyone package anything like this, so...
Give me the camera?
No.
Okay. Please don't die.
I'm a big boy, I can do this.
Oh, okay.
Harbor Freight. Okay. Let's... Shut up. Wow, here it is. They wrapped it in a fucking Hobby Lobby bag.
No, that's just a bag that stores get when they can't afford to have their game upstairs.
Yeah.
Mitchell, the seller says thank you.
Wow. They really do. Okay, all the paper go down there. And here it is. Okay, so this is used. Like, I'm glad they kept the packaging, which is really cool. And this has the same siren as that. So, it'll be interesting. And there's Benji. There's my cat. Hi, Benji.
In police?
I had to report it.
What happened?
I'm not going to say because it's fucking scary.
Okay, so here it is. It's...
One thing,
You're so fucking loud!
I'll go.
I'm just saying.
No.
Please just come out of the package. Okay. Oh, it's heavy. Why is it... Yeah. Again, this is one of those radios I never thought I would have. It looks stupid. Because it is stupid. Who f***ing decides to put a weather radio in a flashlight and have it be like this? Like, come on, Acu-Rite. I get this is a rare radio and all, but this is probably the stupidest radio I've ever seen. Next to probably... I don't know. One of those.
Acu-Right, more like Acu-Wrong.
Yeah, Acu-Wrong. This radio's very wrong. Okay, time to pop batteries in. Okay, as I was figuring out the battery compartment thing with it, John joined. Say hi, John.
Pink too.
Okay, time to put batteries in this.
Yeah. My next 2 hours, the teachers have a place where they like literally have phone chargers just sitting there, so I can just plug my phone in.
Wow, what privilege.
It's spinning.
Alright, so we have the batteries here. Gonna do wish it good
John
luck,
is
yeah,
taking a shit.
stupid
John's
shit.
taking repeat. John's taking a shit alert.
I have never wished a radio good luck.
He's taking a
Also, hi Holly, it's good to see you.
Stupid, I've been here.
I know you have. I just wanted to probably say hi.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh,
Hi, John.
Holly, John says hi.
I saw.
Wait, John's gonna call.
Alright, power
Hi, John.
power on in 3, 2, 1. Wow.
He said, "Wow."
Wow. It's like every other Acu-Rite out there.
Wow, it's a fucking fleshlight.
No. Daylight savings time is on because we live in Illinois, unlike that one whose state doesn't observe daylight savings time.
Oh my.
Alright, and there we go. Setup is complete. That took too long, as it usually does with Acu-Rite radios. I'm not surprised. And yeah, this thing is just all sorts of weird. It's ergonomics and like everything with it is just, oh my lord.
Damn, you're using
Like-
big boy words. You used ergonomics.
Okay.
Oh.
It's a stupid radio. That's all that means, that it's stupid, for those that don't understand what that means. Yeah. We're gonna do a self-activation real quick, because I know this thing has a siren, so we're gonna test it out.
Plugged in.
Okay. We're gonna test it out.
One self-activation session later.
Alright, so that's basically it. This stupid radio has a stupid siren. I call it stupid, but I actually like it quite a lot. Yeah. What the f*** was Acu-Rite thinking? Who knows? Maybe this is why they stopped making weather radios. But,
Well, hey, Mitchell.
oh yeah, Ari's here.
Mitchell.
Everyone say hi to Ari.
Oh, why are you calling it stupid? It's not stupid. It's special. Stop posting about weird radios. I'm tired of seeing it. Hey, Mitchell.
What?
You'll find out more about my opinions on the 8560 RX pretty soon because I already reviewed it and the episode is yet to be uploaded during season 12 of Radio Reviews.
Oh,
Self-promotion
no.
Be sure to check that out whenever it comes out. I don't f***ing know when it will, but it's been reviewed. I've said my sayings in this.
Hi, radio.
Mitchell, this is the second.
Oh my god, it's the radio! It's the radio! The microwave radio! Holy shit!
Yes. What's up?
I don't know what's going on anymore, but
I'm on the bed.
Ow! But no, seriously. Whenever that episode comes out, Mitchell, you can go ahead and post the link to that episode whenever it's released in the description of this video. I'll make sure to remind you of it. But
you're really
it's been
forcing him to
reviewed.
promo your.
this is a forced self-promo, I'll have you all know. Okay. Goodbye, everyone.
yeah.
This was an unboxing and quick overview of the Acu-Rite,
8560 RX.
yeah, that. Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit.
What?
Flash it in your face.
Acu-Rite, fleshlight. Ari, we know you want one.
Get Acu-Rite-ed, bitch.
What?
Let me see the light. Shine the light.
Why isn't it working? The hell? It just
did you
turns
not-
on the f***ing...
Did you not test the flashlight?
I did! It's not working.
You fucking broke it.
No, it just turns on and off the backlight. The hell?
Michael, you reviewed this radio.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it turning only on and off the backlight?
I don't think it's supposed to be doing that.
No, it's not.
Did mine just break?
It's not even.
You got it, stupid! And now it's mad.
Not even 30 minutes. Already half broken. Sums up the f***ing build quality. Piece of
I don't know what's happening.
So much for being a flashlight, because the flashlight don't even work anymore.
It's a
Yeah.
retard video now. Oh my god.
Man, the fucking Pee-wee soul is much better than that.
Oh no.
And that's something Michael will review whenever he's over
Hey,
here.
what size do you wear? Hey.
What?
Okay, well, anyway, yeah, that's the end of the review. Goodbye. This is a radio. Bye.
Hey,
Okay.
Mitchell.
Stop!
Mitchell.
What do you want?
Damn rude. Just kidding. I was gonna say, you want to know how many? You want to know what the rankings feature is?
Shut up!
Correct.
What's the
You wanna
reviews?
know?
What's the reviews?
Siren 50-50, design 50-50, setup 50-50, flashlight good, hand crank 50-50, antenna 50-50, speaker quality 50-50, reception 50-50, build quality 50-50, final thoughts 50-50.
That basically sums up this radio. Oh yeah, while I was messing with it,
Fuck it.
its flashlight decided to start
50-50%
working again.
chance that you get a good one. 50-50% chance you'll get a fucking piece of crap one.
Yeah, mine just started working out of nowhere, so yeah.
It's exactly, it's 50-50. 50-50% chance that you'll get it working again.
Okay, while it's working, I just dropped it. While it's working, I'm gonna end this video so that we end on a good note. Okay, goodbye, everyone. Everyone say bye.
85.
Bye.
They should have renamed
Oyster crackers.
They should have renamed the 85.
Not oyster crackers.
They should have renamed the 8560 to the 5050.
Okay, bye, everyone.